Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best morning burst face wash is probably one of the most sought-after cleansers for those who want to kickstart their day with a refreshing and invigorating experience, as it promises to awaken your skin and senses with its unique blend of ingredients designed to gently cleanse and energize, leaving you feeling revitalized and ready to take on whatever the day throws your way, making it a popular choice for many seeking that perfect morning pick-me-up. Number 5. Clean and Clear 2-Pack Oil-Free Facial Cleansers. Discover a refreshing way to cleanse your skin with our 2-pack facial cleansers. Experience the invigorating citrus scent that awakens your senses. Start your day with the energizing Morning Burst formula, designed to invigorate and refresh. Wind down your evening with Night Relaxing for a calming cleanse. Our oil-free formula is perfect for all skin types, ensuring a clean feel without greasiness. It effectively removes impurities while being gentle on your skin. Each bottle contains a generous 16 ounces of product, providing long-lasting use. You'll have plenty of your favorite cleanser to keep your skin clear and healthy. Achieve visibly clearer and more radiant skin with consistent use. Embrace a daily skincare routine that leaves your complexion feeling refreshed and revitalized. Make these essential cleansers a part of your daily routine. They are designed to support your skin's health and appearance, day and night. What we like. This duo offers both invigorating morning and relaxing night washes. If you're looking for a simple, refreshing start and end to your day, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a pleasant scent and an oil-free feel. What people say. This product is great for waking you up in the morning. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and clean. The scent is invigorating and not overpowering. Number 4. 120 units retainer cleaner and denture cleaning tablets. Experience a powerful clean in just 15 minutes. These tablets effectively remove plaque, odors, and stains, leaving your dental appliances feeling fresh and ready to wear. Maintain daily freshness with our effective cleaning tablets. They quickly dissolve to lift buildup and stains, supporting the clarity and comfort of your aligners and dentures. Simplify your oral care routine. Our versatile tablets are designed for all your removable dental appliances, including retainers, dentures, and mouthguards. Say goodbye to odors and hello to a minty fresh feeling. Daily soaking ensures a cleaner and more comfortable experience with your dental devices. Enjoy the convenience of individually wrapped tablets. Perfect for easy everyday use at home or while traveling, ensuring your dental appliances stay clean. Incorporate these tablets into your daily routine for quick freshness. Pair them with overnight cleaning for a complete and thorough care regimen. What we like. These tablets provide a quick and effective clean for all your oral appliances. If you need a convenient way to keep retainers, dentures, or aligners fresh daily, these are ideal. They are perfect for maintaining hygiene between dental visits and ensuring comfort. What people say. It has a nice scent and it leaves my skin feeling clean. I love that it has a lathering effect and it doesn't dry out my skin. This face wash has a great scent and it really helps to wake me up in the morning. Number 3. ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. Discover the ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash, your new essential for a smoother complexion. This powerful cleanser is designed to gently exfoliate and renew your skin. Experience the power of advanced resurfacing technology. It effectively removes impurities while promoting a brighter, more youthful appearance. This unique enzyme gel cleanser works to dissolve dull surface skin cells. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized after every use. Formulated for all skin types, this facial wash is gentle enough for daily use. It helps to improve skin texture and clarity without stripping natural moisture. Incorporate this anti-aging exfoliating face wash into your routine for visibly smoother and more radiant skin. Reveal your skin's natural luminosity. Trust ELEMIS for innovative skincare solutions. This facial wash is a testament to our commitment to delivering exceptional results for your skin. What we like. Experience a smoother, brighter complexion with this advanced facial wash. If you are concerned about aging or dullness and want to gently exfoliate your skin, this is the product for you. It's suitable for anyone seeking a revitalizing cleanse that improves skin texture. What people say. This face wash has a great scent and lather. It leaves my skin feeling clean and refreshed. The gel formula is gentle and doesn't strip the skin. Number 2. Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Cleansing Gel. Discover the ultimate solution for your skincare routine. This powerful cleanser is designed to simplify your life. It works as a facial wash, makeup remover, and gentle exfoliator all in one. Achieve multiple benefits with a single product. Formulated with vitamin C, it helps to brighten your complexion. Reveal a more radiant and even-toned skin. This cleanser purifies your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. It also brightens and hydrates, combating dullness for a healthy glow. Enjoy a gentle cleansing experience as it is sulfate-free. It effectively cleanses without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, this product is perfect for you. It addresses common skin concerns with its versatile formula. What we like? Simplify your skincare routine with this multitasking cleansing gel. If you desire a single product that cleanses, removes makeup, and gently exfoliates, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those with dull skin looking for a brightening and hydrating boost. What people say. This face wash is great for waking up your skin in the morning. It has a refreshing scent that helps you feel more alert. The lather is nice and it cleanses the skin effectively without overdrying. Number 1. Yes to Grapefruit Daily Facial Scrub and Cleanser. Unveil brighter, more radiant skin with our daily facial scrub and cleanser. It gently exfoliates and restores your complexion, leaving it looking refreshed and revitalized. This powerful formula is packed with antioxidants, lemon balm extract, and vitamin C. These natural ingredients work together to enhance your skin's natural glow. Experience a deep clean that doesn't strip your skin. It effectively removes impurities while promoting a smoother, more even skin tone. Let the revitalizing properties of grapefruit work their magic. It helps to restore your skin's vitality, making it feel soft and supple. We believe in beauty that's good for you and the environment. That's why our product is natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. Make this cleanser a part of your daily routine for consistently luminous skin. It's the perfect way to start or end your day. What we like? Achieve radiant skin with this invigorating scrub and cleanser. If you love the scent of citrus and are looking for a natural way to brighten your complexion, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for those who want to enhance their skin's natural glow with antioxidant-rich ingredients. What people say. This face wash has a great scent and leaves my skin feeling clean and refreshed. I love how this face wash lathers up and rinses off easily, leaving my skin feeling smooth and soft. The gel formula is lightweight and doesn't strip my skin of its natural oils, which is a huge plus for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.